Yeah. What up, guys? Papa Dick in the house. Praveen 7384. Cousin talking right there. As usual. Every Sunday. Oh, we got a message. What's that say?
Yep.
Yeah. Sexy beast. Sexy beast. Oh, not him, me. Sing. Okay, so right now, we are doing Praveen's cooking show. We got the pot. Oh, yeah, pot. Spatula. 3 eggs, because you know I'm a beast. I go to the gym. Gotta need them eggs. Plate. Butter. That's lunch. By the way, Tamil, if you don't know, I'm sorry for your English people, but there's some Tamil people that watch my videos. So forget about this if you're not Tamil. You know, gotta have them bananas. Long. Already got my eggs. So right now, I got everything set up. Not everything. I gotta get my cheese. You know, cheese is good for you. How am I gonna do this with one hand? I'll try to do it with one hand. I can't do it. Hold on, I set it right here. Ow! Cut myself.
Jasmine, every other girl I knew was a has-been, making me.
Let's get back to the cooking show. Pot, all warm and ready. Took a long time. Gotta do this quick before it burns. As I was saying, I forgot my bread, so I gotta get my bread. By the way, next week I'm gonna do the bread challenge. It's gonna be so easy. You eat 1 slice of bread in 45 seconds. Under. I can do that. I'm a beast. So right now, get 2 slices. Not 1, not 3, but 2. Okay. 2 slices of cheese. 1 on each side. Oh, hot damn. This is my jam. Right now, oh shit, it's nice and hot. I'm sorry guys, but I'll get back to you as soon as I put my eggs in. Okay, so guys, as you can see, I took off the pan because I'm already done with it. As you can see, this is the final product. I know it doesn't look good at all, but trust me, it's gonna taste good. So right now, after you're done putting the egg onto the bread, take the other half, put it on there. Let the cheese melt for like 30 seconds, and it'll be fine. But I usually don't do that, so I'm just gonna cut it right now because I'm impatient. Sorry guys, as you can see, that's the final product. I'm sorry, it looks really, really ugly. So I'll catch you guys later, next week. Might do music, might do review, don't know, but let's see what happens. My earphones are supposed to be getting here this week or next week. I'm really not sure because they never told me. I just sent it in and they're fixing it. But it's gonna be a surprise, so I don't know what I'm gonna do next week. But anyways, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.
Fine light in the beautiful sea.